You walk into a room, instantly feel the tension, and read micro-expressions before a sentence is even finished. Modern psychology classifies these responses as symptoms of an anxiety disorder, toxic stress, or a damaged trauma response. You might find yourself mourning the softer version of yourself that didn't need to scan every silence for a hidden threat. Years of high-stress exposure forced your mind to adapt, sharpening your cognitive reflexes into a high-performance survival system. Researchers identify this state as traumatic intelligence, a condition where a history of adversity produces an unshakable, highly perceptive strategist. When your early environment is unpredictable, your nervous system learns to operate in a state of constant force training. Your amygdala and prefrontal cortex wire themselves to detect social cues and nonverbal signals that most people ignore. This neurological adaptation creates a predator's empathy, a subconscious loop dedicated to predicting moods and thinking several steps ahead. While others walk into a room and see furniture, your brain maps the emotional temperature, identifying shifts in posture and fleeting micro-expressions. Decades of tracking a caregiver's volatile moods have trained your brain in elite pattern recognition. This gives you the functional capacity of a human lie detector, allowing you to bypass fake smiles and read the true intentions hidden behind polite words. Beyond reading others, your brain has developed internal filters for survival, a mechanism known as adaptive skepticism. Your brain built these filters because signals of safety were often unreliable, creating a high threshold for trust. You're immune to basic manipulation and empty flattery. This results in fierce loyalty to those who prove their honesty, paired with a calculated, self-reliant distance from others. This psychological architecture is most effective during a crisis, a phenomenon described as stress inoculation. Because high-stakes chaos was once your daily baseline, you are calibrated to maintain cognitive clarity in environments that cause others to experience a total system overload. When everything falls apart, your mind skips the panic phase and immediately identifies the most efficient, strategic path forward. The combination of skepticism and calm allows you to outmaneuver opponents who are paralyzed by unpredictability. Hyperperceptiveness and surgical analysis represent the specialized architecture of a mind that accelerated its own growth to survive. It is time to stop viewing these survival mechanisms as a disease to be cured or a history to apologize for. The same reflexes used to avoid danger now allow you to steer the direction of a room, identifying the precise moment a situation is ripe for negotiation or control. This neurological development provides a functional resistance to uncertainty, allowing for clear-eyed decision-making when the environment is most volatile. You are a highly tuned instrument. It is time to step out of the shadows and use your past as a concealed weapon.